warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, my name is Keisha Nuhazaira Hadi. You can call me Keisha. I'm from 4ICU1. In this moment, I want to present my project. The title is Implementation of Habit-Based Character Education in Cultivating Student Independence. Next, background. Education is not only about the academic, but also about building character, especially independence. Students are expected to manage their time well, take initiative, and be responsible. Developing good habits is a good way to build an independent responsibility. Problem formulation. How can implementation of habit-based character education in cultivating student independence of IPAS, math, religion, ASCII, and civic approach? Next one is research purpose. To identify the way of implementation of habit-based character education in cultivating student independence through an IPAS, math, religion, ASCII, and civic approach. Next is project design. The problem. How can implementation of habit-based character education in cultivating student independence? The question. How can implementation of habit-based character education in cultivating student independence through an approach of IPAS, math, religion, ASCII, and civic? And the date finalization is on 6 May 2026. Next, data collection process. Use literature studies method. First, IPAS, collecting data about adaptation. Second, math, collecting data about the Venn diagram. Third, religion, collecting data about the Hajj. Fourth, ASCII, collecting data about the development of Medina by Prophet Muhammad. 5. Civic, collecting data about the neighborhood of RT RW as a part of United States of Indonesia. Then the theoretical review. First, character education. Second, the student independence. Third, the digital era of education. The fourth, relationship between character education with student independence. 5. The integration of character education in digital era. The next one is discussion. First, IPAS. In the concept of adaptation, students living survive by adjusting to their environment. This aligns with the habit-based character education, where the students are consistently trained to develop an independent attitude. The types of character education is 3. First, morphological, physiological, and behavioral adaptation. Next is discussion of mathematics. In Venn diagram, students practice to logical thinking. This fosters precision, logical thinking, and creative in problem solving. Next one is discussion of religion. Hajj is one of the favorite act of Islam, where every pilgrim, regardless of their background or status, wear the same white cloth, and do some ritual, tawaf, sa'i, and wukuf independently and with personal responsibility. Next, discussion of ASCII. The Prophet Muhammad developed the Medina by communication, kindness, listening to people's needs, and unifying the long conflicting tribes with the charter of Medina, which was built an independent, which was built an open dialogue, mutual respect. Next, discussion of city. The neighborhood of RT, airway, and village system as a part of Unitary States of Indonesia. RT, airway, and village as a smaller yet most important of Republic Indonesia. This is deeply connected with the citizenship. Being a responsible student, example are keeping the environment of home and school is clean. Next, the conclusion. First, IPAS. Conclude that through the adaptation, students learn that adjust to the new challenge, reflecting the value of independence without depending on others. Second, mathematics. Conclude that through the Venn diagram, students practice the logical thinking, reflecting the value of creative and understanding in learning an ongoing process. Third, religion. Conclude that through the Hajj, students learn that every ritual must be carried with personal responsibility, reflecting the value of independence in both of worship and daily life. The fourth, ASCII. Conclude that through the Prophet Muhammad developed the Medina, students learn that convey the value by kindness and purpose, reflecting the value of communication in building strong and united family community. 5. Civic. Conclude that through the RT, airway, and village system, students learn that good citizenship began at the local level, reflecting the value of citizenship through caring, responsibility, and active in participation of NKRI. Enough of my presentation. Is there any question?
Okay, Keisha, you have explained the habit is character education, right?
Yes.
Okay. You have explained in Aswaja about the people of Medina. What value can we learn about that?
I think the people of Medina is help each other and live peacefully.
Okay. And how about in religion? How does Hajj teach discipline and independence?
In my opinion, Hajj is teach patience, following rules, and be responsible.
Okay, good enough. Thank you.
Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you.